In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Microsoft Teams, and we'll aim to do this in under 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to personalize your messages or simply want to make them stand out with bold or italicized text, these simple steps will guide you through the process smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this by heading over to the Microsoft Teams application either on your desktop or directly through your web browser. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself in the main dashboard. From here, let's move along to the next step, which takes us into the chat feature. Now, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll see an item labeled Chat. Click on it to access your existing conversations. At this point, you should see a list of all the active chats you've had, whether they're with individuals or groups. Next, choose a chat that you'd like to customize by selecting it. Once you're inside the chat, direct your attention to the bottom of the chat window. Now, you should notice a small plus icon. This is your gateway to additional functionalities within Microsoft Teams. Click on this icon to explore further. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with several options. What you need to do now is look for the option labeled Show Formatting Options. This will reveal a set of tools that allow you to get creative with your messages. With the formatting menu now visible, it's time to select the font option you'd like to adjust. Have a look and click on the specific preference you have in mind, such as bold or italic. In addition to these, you can also change the font size by clicking on the A icon, which serves as the text size tool. When you click on it, you will have the choice to pick between small, medium, or large fonts, depending on how prominent you want your text to appear. Feel free to experiment a little to see what best suits your needs. Once you're satisfied with your choices, start typing a message in the chat box. You will see your formatting choices in action right away. It's that simple. This feature can significantly enhance the clarity and emphasis of your communication within Teams, making your messages more engaging. And just like that, you've learned how to change the font in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and helpful in improving your Microsoft Teams experience. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.